YouTube, this is Tim from TFB Airsoft. I have an unboxing. This is something that our whole team needed. Everyone put in a little bit of money and we got it, so yeah, I got this from Airsoft GI. I already opened the box. First things out of the box, we have an 8.4 volt 2000 mAh battery, P4 shooting glasses, 1,000.25 gram TSD BBs. At GI, they had a shocker deal on these BBs, so it was almost a limit of 5 per customer. There's 4,000 in each bag. I got 5 white, and I got 5 black. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Get my packing slip out of there. So here's everything I got. I got the battery, glasses, BBs, and a lot of other BBs. So yeah, that's everything I ordered. Altogether, there's 41,000 BBs here. This whole order costed me $97. Be sure to use the gift coupon code. It's what I just said. It's GIFT, G-I-F-T, and you should get 10% off your whole order. So yeah, don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe.